Hello everybody, I'm excited to announce that Dropshipping.ai has finally been released. So what is Dropshipping.ai? Ever since getting out to Arizona last month, me and Pranav have been working tirelessly every single day and night, all the way till like 3 a.m. sometimes, in order to make the most effective, most relevant, and most AI leveraged dropshipping course in history. And we believe we have done that. And the best part is, it is completely free. We're not here to sell you anything. Essentially, we've taken all of our successful tactics, all of our successful strategies, and combined it with artificial intelligence to make this the most relevant, most effective dropshipping course to date. Furthermore, we have made this as all-encompassing as possible. So therefore, if you have no money to work with, we got a whole section on organic. If you do have money to work with, we got whole sections on Facebook ads and TikTok ads. And if you're in between, leaning more towards the creative side, we have a whole section on print on demand. And the most beautiful, most unique part about this is the full integration with AI. This is gonna cut down on your learning curve in half. This is gonna cut down on the time it takes to even launch a product in half. Some of the examples of what we're teaching is how to find products with AI, how to build your store with AI, how to create creatives with AI, how to get ideas for the copywriting for AI, and so much more. This is not only gonna revolutionize dropshipping, but it's gonna revolutionize the way dropshipping is taught. So we have a multi-step plan for Dropshipping.ai. This is just step one, and because it's step one, this is why we're offering it completely free. You're gonna get the entire course for free, you're gonna get access to the Discord for free with weekly calls, and you're gonna get an 8-figure theme integrated within it, all for free. But there's a caveat to that. Just because it's free now doesn't mean it's gonna be free forever. As we progress along the timeline, we may start charging eventually, but for now, as it's in its initial beta phase, we wanna get as many people as possible in there so we can get as many results as possible. We truly care about you getting success in this. And right now with this AI revolution, dropshipping truly has never been easier. Just simply look at the facts. Not only can you offload so much of the work, but you can just offload so much of the time that you normally would have to spend learning and building. But because of this, with ease brings more competition. So if you're seeing this now, you're at the right place at the right time. I just want to post this video, no fancy edits, no fancy cuts, just letting you know that we have released something extremely special, and it has definitely already been proven to work time and time again. You can go to Dropshipping.ai, see all the testimonials, see what's included, learn about your instructors, and then sign up below to get lifelong access to the course, to the Discord, to the theme, and much, much more. I hope to see you guys in there soon, and if you have any questions, leave them below this video and I'll get back to you. Peace.